Alright, we're back. I accidentally put the I stopped recording on accident because I was trying to fix the thermostat because didn't want to go on. This one's fine. This came off. Anyway, we're gonna put it to the fan. It's actually kind of, it's blowing a good airflow. Now high. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna unplug this one. And we're gonna do the ones in the front. How do I unplug it? I'm gonna. Oh. TNT. Burn, burn, burn. Look down there. Ow. Damn, my hands are friggin' numb. We're gonna plug in the gold star just for a little fan test. Hi. Back to low. I really don't know if the energy saver works. I haven't tried it. Let me see if it could shut off. Yeah, oh. I don't even know if energy saver works. Alright, now we're gonna do the lights in the front. Ugh. I don't really know if energy saver works. I haven't tried it yet. Alright guys, we're gonna bring out the plug. Oh. We're gonna bring out the plug and we'll do the Frigadaire 6000 and then we'll do the carrier. And that's it for today. Whoa. Oh my god. Did it? Hold on. Is it plugged in still? Alright, good it is. Man, Batman. Alright, we're gonna plug in the Frigadaire 6000. I'm using my dad's extension cord. Oh, okay. Works. It's too cold for it to kick on. Again, it's like 30 degrees today. Alright, now we're gonna turn it. Oh, crap in there. Yeah, this sleeves and stuff fine. Hold on. Yeah, it's just because of the leaves and debris. Alright, let's see if I could kick. Fan only. Put it on auto. High. medium, low, and off. It's like four, oh. It's blowing them out with good air, but this we're gonna save for the summer. Alright, kick it off. Unplug this one, and we'll do the last but not least, the Carrier International series. It's like January. Can't wait for this to kick. Alright. Let me unplug that. It's getting windy. Alright, it's starting to get a little chilly. Cold out. I'm gonna get my screwdriver. See Yeah, I ain't taking the data plate off. The Carrier International, I just put the front grill over there. It's starting to get a little cold, so start on a fan. I think it's like low fan or something. Low fan only. Medium fan. High fan. Oh, and good air. Alright. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna get the compressor to kick. Yeah. Ow. Ugh. Man. What?
Is it going?
What?
Video?
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it there because I'm freezing my balls off.